We got a 2024 Corvette C8 today. We're doing a ton of them lately. So what we did is we slapped this Corsa Extreme cap back on there. This is the full straight pipe version. It does have an X pipe. It's all 3-inch piping. Comes with a set of black diamond tips, which are pretty awesome. Got the Corsa logo up top. We're gonna drop it and show it to you guys. The AWE Touring Edition. It's got the black tips. You see the AWE technology, 180 technology. This is for anti-drone. You got the X-pipe, completely welded X-pipe, fully fabricated by AWE in-house. You guys can see the weld, super clean, super sick. You got the quad edges for the tips, and then you got these flex pipes that connect straight to the engine, to the headers. And the flex pipes are there just to give the system some flexibility so it doesn't break. Most systems come with the flex. AWE actually gives it a little bit more of a flex to give it a little less drone. So I like what AWE is doing with this kit. We got the tips right here. Remember what I told you about AWE? They usually give a sucker. Let's see if there's a sucker in here. And then boom, a sucker. Shout out to Blow Pop. We got 2024 Corvette C8, as usual, slapping a Borla attack cap back on there. Corvette Stingray E-Ray, another one under the de-exhaust belt. We did something really cool with this one. This was a Borla attack with the carbon fiber tips and a JLT air intake, which is a complete monster to install.